Good morning. I'm about to wash my hair. I just took out my little corner braids, stitch braids. It is Friday, July 9th, I think. Yeah, Friday, July 9th. It's still early in the morning. Cam is still sleeping. I've been up since like 5:30 this morning. But yeah, Kim is still sleeping, so I wanted to wash my hair so I can have my hair fresh and ready for the weekend. My hair was like cemented in the stitch braids, so I need to make sure that I rinse it really well so all the gel and the hairspray comes out, because like it's like hard. So, and shampoo for the day. Let's see. I'm gonna do the Mizani Focus. I'm gonna do the Mizani Gentle Clarifying Shampoo. I have this one, the Moisture Replenish, but I definitely need to clarify. I probably use this next time. This is conditioner. Intensive conditioning treatment. Okay, so I'll do this steam mask. I don't think it's considered a conditioner. I still have to use a conditioner. Okay, so let me do the clarifying, gentle clarifying shampoo with the Moisture Replenish conditioner and the hair mask. I could turn the lights off and put on spa music because it feels like I'm taking like a nice hot heated shower in a spa. Look at this. Should I have all the lights off and keep this one off? I'll keep this one off as well. Yeah, these detangling brushes, Nky's gonna have it on her website with her products. They're really, really good for detangling, so I'm going to use that. So we just made it to our gate, barely.
Like barely, for real. First time.
I have to check our boarding pass to see what group we're in.
Are you going to San Francisco?
Yes,
Okay, did you get a...
Alright, so we're on our way to San Francisco.
Was it wrong?
Family trip, yeah. Run, run, Rudolph. Papa's got to make it to town. I'm like sweating and hot. Yeah. And then we're flying from Cleveland, and Mommy and Junior are flying from Cleveland as well, but we didn't tell them that we're flying from here, so we just surprised them. So
same flight.
Yeah, on the same flight, so they were surprised. But it was fun. Ready to go somewhere? She's over the stroller. I know. Hey guys, so we are in San Francisco. This lighting's making me look like I'm bald. I can't see the top of my head. Alrighty. This is my outfit of the night. I feel kind of chunky in this, but I ate so much today when we went to the mall. But I'm trying to look decent. But yeah. Didn't really put much on my face, just like powder. Comfy shoes, because I'm not about that life today. Cam and Chris are almost ready. Cam, you almost ready?
Yeah.
My car seat, get wet.
Babe, look at this. So good.
Wait, you guys want the milk?
Oh yeah, bring the milk. I know the lighting is so good.
Okay, So yeah, we are now at.
So we're at the reception. Cam is already asleeping. Mommy's thinks she's Beyonce. Junior and Chris. Yeah, mommy has taken 3,265 pictures so far.
Yeah, thank you.
Let's go in. No, not yet. They're putting on the bow tie.
Oh.
Mom's ready to go.
Yes.
Cam. Is the light on? Oh, my thing is on.
Yesterday. Why are you acting like you're gonna sleep?
Done. Here you go.